Now we are ready to create the automation project. Okay. In order to create an automation project, we need a Selenium library basically. Okay. So before we understand Selenium library, first we have to understand what do we mean by libraries actually. Okay. So in order to understand, let's create a Maven project. I guess I have already told about Maven. So let me just quickly recap the thing for Maven. So Maven is nothing but a build tool, okay, used for automation project, used in automation project. Okay. So basically, what exactly Maven do? It manages the libraries. Manage the libraries. Just remember, if somebody asks what is the use of Maven, it is just to manage the libraries. Now we will going to see what exactly a library is. So first thing first, we are going to create a Maven project. So open your IntelliJ and new project, and then we are going to create one Selenium project. Project Selenium. Selenium. Okay. This is the name of the project I have given, and this is the location where I am have the workspace, and language I am setting as Java, and build system here. If you see this corresponding to build system, I am setting Maven. So this will create a Maven project, and in the JDK I am setting whatever be the version you have, you just have to select. I have 11.0.16. I am setting this and create it. Now you will have the Maven project ready. Okay. In whenever you create a Maven project, automatically you will see a folder structure like something like this. Source is there, main is there, and test is there. So what is the difference between Java project and Maven project? In Java project, you will not able to see this structure. Okay. Three things, two things it will provide basically. The Maven project, it gives the structure to the project. Automatically, you don't have to create it. And one more file it gives you automatic, that is the pom.xml file. It is very important file whenever we create a Maven project. So Maven manages the libraries. Maven provides the structure provides the structure of the project. Okay. And third thing is very, very important. It is pom.xml. Okay. So this is nothing but a pom.xml is the configuration file. Okay. Configuration file where you are going to configure your project. Or you can say it's a setting file where you basically do some setting for your projects. Okay. Now these three things Maven provide us. I don't have to do anything manually, no task I'm going to perform. I don't have to create a pom.xml. I don't have to manage the libraries. I don't have to provide the structure of the project. All these three things provided by the Maven. Okay. Now let's see pom.xml. This is the file. This is the configuration file where basically you are going to write your libraries actually. Once you put down your libraries, it will be automatically downloaded from the Maven repositories. So I'm going to clear this. So before that, we have to understand the library. What is the library actually? So if I go to this, yeah, so automatically it gives me this main class. So if I run my program, it will simply print hello world. Okay. But the question will be like, I am from the beginning, we are just learning that we have to print something if we have to print, we have to write system.out.println. But we never ask from where this system class is coming. Who is responsible for providing the system class? So JDK we have learned in the beginning. So we are using the JDK in our project. So in order to see that where is my JDK in my project. So in the project structure, if you see external libraries are there. If you expand it, you will see this is the location of the JDK. And remember just now when I at the time of creation, let me show you again. Here we have setting JDK. It means that I want to use JDK 11 in my project. So automatically when you set this setting during the creation of Maven project, it will come under the external libraries, and then you are able to use all the classes provided by the Java developer. That is the reason you are able to see the system class over here. Now if I want to see where exactly is the place of system is, let me go inside it and package java.lang, okay, where it exactly is. So you will go here and expand java.base java. This is the Java, and second one is lang. And if I go to the system ps, okay, system is there, see. And one more thing I want to show you guys is a string. We are using string so often. So Java, from where this string class is coming, okay. If I go inside, I see if I see package java.lang, again it is come under the, so here if you see string is there, okay. So what I mean to say is that in order to use the classes, okay, in order to use the classes provided by the JDK, provided by the Java developers, we must have those classes in our project. Otherwise, if we don't have those classes, how we are going to use it? Okay. So this is nothing but a library. Okay, Java library. Okay, JDK is nothing but a library. It contains all the classes which will help me to write a program. If let's say, for example, there is no JDK in your project, how will you going to use a string class? How you're going to use the system class? You can never make a program if you don't have a JDK. So that is the reason it is very important to import the library. So important point to note here is that whenever we are building a project, whenever we are creating a project, the prerequisite is for creating any project is, first one is import the required libraries. Okay, since I am the Java developer, first thing first, I am going to import the JDK. Okay, now I have successfully imported the JDK library. I can able to see, I can all the classes present inside the JDK. Now if I want to do the automation, okay, now let's come to the automation part. Using the JDK, I can create a Java application, but if I want to perform automation, Selenium automation, I must need a Selenium library also. Okay. So if you see here, I can see only Java, Java, Java. Everything is Java here. One second. Yeah. So library of Java is present here till last. And if you want to import the Selenium library also, how to do so? So second requirement is Selenium library.